Hi, I'm Madison Hildebrand, the star of Million Dollar Listing on Bravo TV, and I'm also a realtor in Malibu, California. I have been seeing Dr. Stan both at the Bedford and the Wilshire office for a couple years. Their staff, his office, everything about it is amazing. They have taken excellent care. They've actually had to replace my front tooth right here because I chipped it when I was a kid, and the old crown was no longer good. They did an impeccable job of matching the color and the shape, and you know what? I didn't feel a thing when they did it. They have very nice ways of taking care of their patients if you have any trepidation about the dentist. And I encourage you to come and see them either in their Bedford office or the Wilshire office. You'll be very happy.
Hi, my name is Tracy Souvet. I'm a registered nurse. I live here in Beverly Hills. I guess my story about Dr. Stan is that I have had problem teeth all my life. Ever since I was a child, I was actually fearful of the dentist because it always seemed there was a problem. Whether it was a cavity or as I got older, it was crowns, and you need a bridge because we have missing teeth in our family. So I have like 3 missing teeth that he had to fix for me. But before I found Dr. Stan, I had been to quite a few different dentists from Newport Beach all the way up the coast, all the way back down. And I finally decided on him, and I'm glad I did. With Dr. Stan, it was just simple 2 appointments. I was done, and this is a full mouth reconstruction. Turned out great, I think. Also, the staff is amazing. You just walk in and feel comforting. He always has coffee, tea. You go there, you feel like it was home.
Okay, my name is Christopher Norton, and I am the general manager and VP for Four Seasons Hotels and Resorts in France, and I run the Georges V Hotel in Paris. I met Joseph through a friend of mine who had actually an accident and fell, and Dr. Stan repaired her teeth. And on one of her visits to Paris, she came and she introduced Dr. Stan to me. We had a wonderful luncheon at the hotel's restaurant, and we talked about a lot of things, including many friends we had in common, many friends that had seen him and were relieved of suffering and pain they had carried with them for their life. And so during the lunch, he said, you should come and see me, and I maybe have 1 or 2 things that I can do for you. And so on the next visit, when I came from Paris to Los Angeles, I visited him, and we decided to do some work. The amazing thing was time, and I think one of the most valuable things that all of us have these days, or the most valuable thing, is time. And I had talked to one of the great surgeons, dental surgeons in Europe, and I was told that I needed about 1.5 years worth of work done. And Joseph literally did it in 2 days. I remember arriving on a Monday morning in his office. He put me to sleep for the whole day. That same night I went out and had steak and red wine. And then I came back on the Friday of the same week, and he finished off the work during another 7 hours. The 7 hours were nothing but pleasure because you doze all day long, and you feel so comfortable and you feel so safe with him, because you know he is totally focused on you and what needs to be done. He devotes himself totally to you. I can only say terrific things about Joseph Stan and the way he practices his, I don't know if it's science or art, but he's very, very talented. And I don't think there's anybody else in the world that knows how to take care of your teeth the way that Dr. Stan does.
My name is Mohammed Hadid. I'm an architect, designer, and artist. I came to see Dr. Stan for a simple implant, and ended up doing my own mouth. It was an amazing experience. Dr. Stan had promised me that I would feel no pain. My life would change, and my smile would be sparkling. So I gave him a chance to do so, and everything that he has said, it came out to be true. He has done so many of my friends, my family members, and they all have the same experience. Dr. Stan is a family member now. As far as Dr. Stan, he is my best friend these days. still is. And he called me all the time, make sure my smile still is there, and my family members are there. He's always there for us in the middle of the night, during the day, weekends. So I want to say to most people who would have the same experience that I have, that Dr. Stan will be a part of your life forever. He is such a nice man that I have decided to redesign his own offices. So the offices on Bedford are something that I have created for him because he has done such an amazing job for my face and my families and my friends.
Thank you for stopping in today, and I see you soon.
Just love want you, and you've got no pull.